So what is Twitter Lite app? So this is original Twitter app, and it wasn't renamed to X app yet. And this is the app similar, you have Facebook Lite. This is the app for emerging markets, for countries with slower internet. It's like where, as you see here, is Facebook Lite. If your Wi-Fi connection is really slow, you can just get like Twitter Lite, and yeah, it should work properly here. So yep, you can just have that. And the other interesting thing, because Twitter Lite wasn't renamed yet to X app, it actually has a surge of downloads because people are searching for Twitter, they don't find it, they just find X apps and they just download Twitter Lite app, which wasn't renamed yet. So that's just what it is. But yeah, this is, I think, official Twitter app. But this is just built for countries like India, Indonesia, countries like that, where it can sometimes be slower internet. So similar to Facebook. So yeah.